Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest and greatest rumors about the upcoming Pixel 9 Pro. Google's next flagship is shaping up to be a game changer, especially in the world of AI. So what can we expect from the Pixel 9 Pro and how will it stand up to the competition? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the release date. If Google sticks to its usual schedule, we're looking at an October 2024 launch, but we might get a sneak peek during Google I/O on May 14th. Mark your calendars. This year, the Pixel 9 Pro will have some serious competition, especially from the Samsung Galaxy S24, which has upped the ante with its AI capabilities. So how will Google respond? According to rumors, they're planning to double down on AI with their new Tensor G4 chip and a suite of on-device AI features. One of the most exciting rumors is about the design. We're hearing that there will be not one, but two Pixel 9 Pro models, the regular Pixel 9 Pro with a 6.1-inch screen and a larger Pixel 9 Pro XL with a 6.7-inch display. And there might even be a Pixel Fold joining the lineup. Design-wise, there's a major change. The iconic camera bar is getting a makeover. It's now contained within a vertical pill on the back, giving the phone a sleek new look. And speaking of cameras, the large sensor suggests support for variable aperture, which could mean even better photos. Color options. We're looking at black, white, green, and pink. Classic choices with a fresh twist. Now let's talk about the heart of the Pixel 9 Pro, the Tensor G4 chip. While it's rumored to be a modest upgrade, it should bring better performance and thermal management. Plus, we might see 16 gigabytes of RAM for even smoother multitasking. But the real star of the show is AI. Google is reportedly working on a new AI assistant called Pixie, which promises to be a more personalized and powerful version of Google Assistant. Imagine your phone suggesting directions to the nearest store for something you just photographed. How cool is that? Connectivity is getting a boost too. We're expecting a new modem to fix long-standing issues and possibly satellite connectivity for emergencies, similar to recent iPhones. And of course, the Pixel 9 Pro will be among the first to run Android 15. Early previews hint at some exciting features like the return of lock screen widgets. We'll know more when the Android 15 beta drops this spring. So there you have it, a sneak peek at what we might see with the Pixel 9 Pro. From AI advancements to sleek new designs, it looks like Google is pulling out all the stops. What are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you next time.